your girl HondaHarleyGurl out here in Tampa with my Tampa girl. Hey y'all, it's your girl HondaHarleyGurl. I'm outside. Outside riding, of course, riding on two wheels. The best way to get around these streets. But this right here, I'm about to go on a 24-hour road trip. I'm on the way to the meetup, about to pull up. I'm late, of course. I'm so sorry, coach. 25 minutes late. Do better. Late for the pull up. Hey, if somebody's late for the pull up, for the kickstands up, are y'all leaving them? I want to know that. How strict are y'all with y'all KSU kickstands up, baby? Ooh, I was gonna take it, but don't take it. Let's stay alive. Let's stay alive out here in these streets. Look at him looking. All right. Yeah, let's stay alive. I was definitely about to take that. Stay alive, okay? Even if you're late, just take your time and get there on time. So that's what I'm doing. Pulling up to Cafe 27 and meeting Coach, because me and him are going to the west coast of Florida, shooting to Fort Myers for an event, and then sliding up to Tampa for Gasparilla. And his Alpha fraternity is having a party for Gasparilla. Don't ask me what Gasparilla is. Something with pirates that Tampa does, and I'm pretty new to it, so I'm about to just gas up and link up with Coach. He's already here, and then we riding out. It's slow. There he go. Look at him. Not taking a nap on the bike. Oh my gosh, my bad. Grab a little bit of fuel and then be on my way. Look at Coach, he's so petty. Sleeping Beauty. Okay, I'm here. You got a little nap in? I'm gonna grab some gas and I'm ready. Sleeping Beauty. Okay, what I'm getting. It's a little hot, but we going to the cold side of the state, colder. So I got my long sleeve on, my jean jacket, and my vest cut. Alright, what are we using? I'm gonna use my card so I can be certain. Okay. Alligator Alley. Let's ride. On the way to Fort Myers, and then we are heading to Tampa. 11:54, January 28th. Oh my God, it's J. Cole's birthday! Ah! It's J. Cole's birthday today. We gotta listen to some J. Cole. Cold world, baby. As soon as I get a moment, we turn on J. motherfucking Cole radio. January 28th. I haven't listened to Cole in a long time. I am so disappointed in myself. get over. You know, just do it. Don't be shooting by me all fast, rocking my motorcycle, just to be stuck. Now you obstructing my view. Anyways, let me get this J. Cole rolling. Damn it, this is why I hate gloves. Yeah, I can't. I need my throttle hand for gas. Forgive me for doing this. I know this is not proper etiquette. Fuck. Wow, y'all. Wow. Did y'all see that accident? It's real out here. It's real. We're on Alligator Alley, Interstate 75. We're coming from East Coast to West Coast, Florida. And that was a pretty bad accident. I can't stop thinking about it. I'm like, the car that was on its side, how did they get the body out the car? I'm curious if they survived that. It looked like both cars were fighting. Like, that's how beat up they are. They look like they were fighting. They got into a fight. So sad. And all of us right now has passed that accident. You think the cars be a little bit humble, slow down, but nah. They still zipping by, getting in front, having to stump on brakes. It's like, calm down, slow down. I get it. This is an open highway right here. But it's only 2 lanes. It may be open highway, but it's traffic and it's not much room for error. So slow down. I'm talking to myself too. Slow down. Seeing that accident was just a real humbling moment. Bitch, sit down. Bitch, be humble. Bitch, slow down. Bitch, be careful. Got to, but I'm enjoying the ride. Coach leading us to Fort Myers, stopping there for a moment, then shooting up to Tampa. And I'm expecting it to get colder the closer we get to the west side. My nose keep itching. I hate that. Anyways, I know I'm trying to save battery and save space, so talk to y'all soon. HondaHarleyGurl out.
Out there.
It was straight. It was a little pushy, but not too bad.
It's a street glide or a ultra classic? Ultra limited.
Yeah, ultra limited. Yeah, something like that. Electric.
It had me.
For real. I don't know. I kind of. It don't bother me too bad, even on my bike when it be pushing like that.
Yeah. Yeah. A couple gusts. I was like, oh, okay. Got it.
Yo. To it. Man, that accident was crazy.
Bro.
I'm like, did they survive that?
Bro, that was the 2 cars and the 1.
Right. Looked like they was fighting.
I want to know what the hell, like, how'd I even happen?
Going too damn fast. Everybody. quick stop, yeah. It looked like it's a quick stop. Quick. Lord, you need a charge? You stay there. I don't know how you ain't got no portable charger by now.
Well, you know what? I did get one.
Huh?
Listen,
Oh,
I grabbed all the
I got a couple. You gotta make sure the portable charger be charged. Let me double check. Alright, a little cheers.
Oh.
Salute.
Yeah.
Made it. Alright, so me and Coach made it to our first stop in Fort Myers at MCR Midnight Club Reapers MC. Okay, Midnight Club Reapers MC outside. Nice clubhouse, a good, beautiful day. That's what I'm riding on today, Coach. So we had a little drink here, socializing, fellowshipping, doing what bikers do, hanging out. And then we're gonna slide up to Tampa, Florida for the Gasparilla events. People dressed like pirates. Not sure the history of this event, but we going. And his Alpha fraternity is having some type of party in relation to Gasparillas called Alpharella, something. We going. Tampa's 2 hours away from our current location. Stay tuned. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. I am HondaHarleyGurl, and I'm out here doing what I love. I hope you're doing something that you love as well. Let's ride. On the way to Tampa, well, Coach, we just left Fort Myers, but I'm excited because I just found a cruise control. This is luxury, baby. Okay, ain't gotta hold a throttle. Hey, hands-free. OMG, I'm excited about that. I ain't gotta turn the throttle. Yeah, that's beautiful. So I'm about to speed it back up, so let me cancel it. How you cancel it? Okay. Push it in and cancel it. But the traffic makes it hard to do cruise control. Right now it's no traffic, so we'll go ahead and hit this cruise control again. Let's see. So you do like, hold up. Let's get around the curve first. Alright, we in cruise control mode. Shit, it's going too fast. I don't know what to do. I guess I can't use it. Yeah. It started going faster. I don't know. I gotta find that good sweet spot. I'm gonna give it one more try. It's going too fast. I'm gonna have to cancel it. It's like speeding up or something. Alright, back to the music. I guess no cruise control. Cruise control. What are we doing? Okay, I guess we're gonna do cruise control. I feel like it picks up speed. So, stop playing with this girl. Alright, enough. So how do you turn it off? I guess don't worry about turning it off. Is that okay to just sit right there? You know, I'm not using it. I don't. Okay. Back to the music. I finally got the cruise control to work. But it's passing him. That's the problem. Either he's slowing down or the bike is actually speeding up. That's Aggie. I was going for a good little rate too. I'm gonna do it again. Oh no, too much traffic coming. Let me slow it down some. Get under 80. And then do it. Alright, now we're doing it. Now I feel like I'm too far behind because I'm so used to riding right up on them, but I'm trying to enjoy the cruise control a little bit. Just a little bit. Let me enjoy it a little bit. Like I said, it's either speeding up, but it shouldn't. Cruise control should not speed up. Or he was just slowing down. Okay, see, now I'm about to cancel it. I'm getting too close. Anyways, riding tall for a little bit because my knee is hurting. At that right angle bend, I'm used to forward controls. I got mid controls on this bike and it's arching the heck out of my knee. I don't even sit at a right angle. So sitting on the back seat just for a little bit, stretch out the legs. I think Coach missed the exit, so we're about to do a turnaround.
I missed that first
exit, yo. Okay, I figured.
I was riding, I was going.
We about to go to Ocala next, huh?
Yeah, I saw Ocala, I was like, wait a second, that can't be right.
You saw that boy?
That's your homeboy.
Now he's like your brother.
Yeah, alright.
No, not for this. Yeah. No. It's not. There is not. Ooh, hey y'all, it's your girl HondaHarleyGurl out here in Tampa with my Tampa girl. Hey, at the Alpha party for Gasparilla. Check us out. Hey, I heard you got a new NSR. That's cheers. I ain't got shit in my cup no more, but. something. What are you giving?
Football.
Okay.
Who's your team?
The same one, your team.
Who's your football team?
The same one as yours.
Because I'm all about the
I
Philadelphia.
can't even that.
We're all about the Philadelphia Eagles.
Okay, I'm with them Eagles. Yeah. I'm with them Eagles too. I'll take that one. Thank you. God dang, I got
You answered all the right answers.
I can't do it all
I like her colors. Get her. Stop.
Oh, yeah.
Give me a picture.
All right, yes, ma'am.
She got that right there. Yeah.
Oh, meow. Say it on camera. Meow. Y'all need to put him up. Him. Put him right on in the closet. Chewy time. Okay, let's see what they're talking about. It's better now.
We about to get live. Oh yeah, I'm about to do it. I'm about to do it.
Go on, take your bite.
I'm about to do it. You want to take a bite?
I'm talking about Sir Davies. Trying to wait till the camera move. Go on, take your bite. You see me holding it.
It's hot. It's hot. It's hot. Let me see.
Give them to the birds. He don't even know they down there. He'll find them. Riding on the way home from Tampa. We already made our first stop. Now we on Alligator Alley, getting back to Dade County. And my right knee is already injured from my accident last year, but with these mid-controls and my leg being at a 90-degree angle, it is killing my knee. There's no highway pegs. So I gotta improvise and ride like this for a little bit. Just for a little bit. Let me hit that cruise control. I'm chilling like a villain. Ride, bitch, ride. Woo! This your girl, HondaHarleyGurl. Had a great time this weekend. Great event, great ride. A 24-hour motorcycle ride, motorcycle trip, whatever you want to call it. Stay down, keep tools on the ground, keep riding. Mr. Ride your shit up there. coach. HondaHarleyGurl. Y'all subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment. Tell me your thoughts, your opinions. I may read it. I'll respond eventually. HondaHarleyGurl out.